Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode on Minutes to Talk. This morning, I would like to talk about the gas law. Gas law is a law that explains the relationship among the volume, the pressure, and temperature. And we have a lot of laws that explain the relationship among the volume, the pressure, and temperature. We have the Boyle's law, the Charles law, the Graham's law of diffusion, Gay-Lussac's law, etc. But this morning, I want to talk about Boyle's law in particular. What do I mean by Boyle's law? Boyle's law states that the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure provided the temperature remains constant. The volume is inversely proportional to the pressure provided the temperature remains constant. Let's take syringe for example. Although I couldn't get the normal syringe, so I improvised by using this sweet syringe. So this represent the volume of the sweet, let's say, because this is not gas, is the content is sweet. So if I should apply pressure, pressure is force over area to this particular syringe, is going to reduce the volume. The content of this container is going to reduce as I'm applying my pressure. And if I want the volume to increase, I'll just reduce my pressure. And this explains what Robert Boyle is trying to state, that the volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. The higher the volume, the lower the pressure, and the higher the pressure, the lower the volume. So the mathematical expression now, volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. So if I want to introduce my equality sign, I will introduce the constant K over P. So if the next thing is the next step is for me to cross multiply. So I can say this one divided by 1. So K multiplied by 1 equals P multiplied by V. So I'll be having K multiplied by 1, K, P multiplied by V, PV. So that is why we have P1, V1 equal to P2, V2. This is the mathematical representation of Boyle's law. P1, V1 equals P2, V2. And the graphical representation, this is how the graph will look like. The graph of pressure against volume will be coming downward. And if it is pressure against 1 over volume, it will be straight line graph. So this is a mathematical representation of Boyle's law, and this is the graphical representation of Boyle's law.